So now I'm going to show you how to dry body brush. This is another amazing tool to have for getting rid of cellulite and that stubborn fat that we have sometimes in our body. So the best way of doing dry body brushing, so on your skin directly before you take a shower, you work clockwise on the area that is stubborn. And so you just go in there and really dry body brush. It's really great to get rid of dead skin cells. A great way to get rid of cellulite. So you can actually work any part of your body, but always clockwise. If you want to work here on your décolleté, always clockwise as well. Abdominal, for sure, an area that we all need to work clockwise. Remember, just keep working, keep going round clockwise in the whole large intestinal area, and it will really help to get rid of that stubborn fat. And let's not forget our thighs. It's the same way you work by working down here. All of this is going to be clockwise. So when you finish the whole body, whichever area that you want, then you jump into the shower. After your shower, you'll apply the blends that I have advised for you to use for this month, and apply that and do your massage on the stubborn areas and do your tapotements, the percussions that I showed you earlier, and that will really, really help you to get rid of any stubborn fat and any cellulite that you have in your body. So enjoy it.